If you had shown me pictures of this baby, 6 months ago, I would have said that's not my baby. I'm very, very proud of the progress that she's made. I'm very appreciative of Baptist Hospital.
That Viter father looking back at the journey he and his wife have gone through as they welcome their little girl into the world. Their journey was a long one, and now Baptist Hospital is hoping to change that for other families. Baptist Hospital is now a level 3 neonatal intensive care unit, and 12 News reporter Christiana Ramos has more on why this is a major achievement for the hospital and Southeast Texas.
Imagine the terror and uncertainty during an hour and 40-minute drive to see your newborn baby in the ICU. That's why it's so important to have a level 3 NICU in the area. It means less transfers to hospitals in other cities.
That drive to Houston as a new parent where you're not sure what's going on with your baby that's a lot of thinking time.
In June, Julian Van Devender and his wife welcomed their daughter Lorelei to the world at just 33 weeks and 6 days.
She was all bandaged up. She was on a little neonatal CPAP machine. It was really scary, for sure, to see my baby like that.
Baby Lorelei has an incurable disease treated through wound care and pain management.
Epidermolysis bullosa. It's a rare genetic condition that the layers of the skin aren't connected, and so they blister very easily.
At the time, Baptist Hospital didn't have a level 3 NICU to care for Lorelei. She was transferred to Texas Children's in Houston. Quite the drive from Viter.
So I had that first week completely off, and then I had to get back to work. I would drive out 3 to 4 times a week, just depending on how I could rearrange my schedule for that week.
Lorelei spent 4 weeks in a level 4 NICU and 1 week in a level 2. But even she couldn't wait to get home.
In the middle of the night, pulled out the NG tube on her own, and we all kind of laughed about it because we're like, all right, well, even she's done. She's ready to go. So
that long trip will be no more for families like the Van Devenders, as Baptist has spent 3 years gathering evidence for the state to become a level 3 NICU.
When the state comes in, we show them this is how we're doing things, and they finally came through and approved us for level 3.
A level 3 offers 24-hour care pediatric medical subspecialties, respiratory and life support.
So you can take care of a baby as little as 1 pound to a full-size baby. We can provide that care.
Preventing instances like Lorelei's and keeping families closer to home. Julian Van Devender says he's happy to hear Baptist can now provide level 3 care to babies like his. He tells me he's grateful to Baptist for helping take care of Lorelei. She's now 7 months and doing well. In Beaumont, Christiana Ramos, 12 News.